in a minute.
Stop now.
That's faster than the teacup, right?
No, wait, leave her.
She didn't.
I did it, Papa. Is that now?
Her face trying to grab her, she's dizzy. She's like, oh.
Wait,
Hold on to her a minute in case she does
Right,
go spinning.
let go of her.
No, in case she falls.
Okay, but I'm fucking old.
Are you hungry, no? Oh, look what she's doing. She's trying to get in it. That's so funny. Dabba dabba. Get in your box. Get in, Destiny.
Look, she's
Climb in,
trying
honey.
to figure out.
She will. She'll figure it out. She's smart. She knows what to do. Yeah, you gotta get you in it. Oh, no, you watch this. Leave her. I love it. Come sit here and watch. Sit here and just. I used to do this with you. Sit on the chair. Sit here. Take photos. She'll climb in. She'll go down. I'm gonna watch. She thinks she's in because she's got one leg. She knows. No, that's not quite right. I'm going to get myself in there. She'll tip it on her head. What are you doing, baby girl?
Destiny.
You want to go in there?
Come on, figure it out then.
Go on, then.
Right, this leg.
Right, I'm getting up, I'm getting in. I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this box and I'm going to climb in. Go on then. Clever girl. Oh, stop it, get in. I know, right? Uh-huh. Baby box. Stop it now, get in. Destiny, do it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Destiny, do it. Oh, good girl. Go on, sweetie. I won't let you.
Come on. Let's go in then.
Go on, baby doll.
Come on.
Give her a big clap.
Yay! Good girl.
She barked.
Yay!
Bye-bye. You did it.